Good morning, my friends out there. The next few videos that y'all are going to see is going to be all about 5-star recipes from y'all's perspective out there. And I certainly respect when y'all give any of the recipes 5 stars. Just knowing that y'all like them and they work for you means a lot to me. So this next recipe that's been a 5-star for a very, very long time is a double orange pork chop. And, you know, I'm to the age where I can finally admit pork may be my favorite protein of all. And, of course, pork chops. Lord have mercy. You give this girl a bone-in pork chop and you won't know what it was by the time I get through with it. Now, I've got 4 center-cut beautiful pork chops. And I'm just seasoning them up. And these are beautiful, beautiful chops. So, a little salt, a little pepper. Now, if I was not afraid anybody else would get this, I would make one of those black with pepper for Michael, but he's going to have to suffer without it. All right, I'm going to cut on my eye to about medium high. I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Yep. All right, so in this bowl, I've got orange juice and I've got an orange marmalade. I thought I brought me a spoon over here, did I not? And I'm just going to, ooh, splash. I'm just going to mix these two together, what I don't get all over me. Our pan's getting hot. I'm going to add the 3 tablespoons of butter to the 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Let that melt. All right, so we're going to cook these about 6 minutes per side. These are big chops. I hope I can fit them all in here, Teresa. Them some healthy chops.
They are healthy.
So
we healthy people.
Yes, we is healthy people. So I don't want to flip-flop those. I want to just turn them once. So I want to make sure that I don't turn them too early. I want to get them nice and brown. I think I'm ready to flip these, y'all. Look at that. Look at that, please.
Well, it may be the way I cook pork.
Maybe it is, Teresa.
I don't think mine look like that.
Well, now these are not like, all right, I'm going to just bust open that little piece of fat so it'll go down in there. Get down in there and cook evenly. These are beautiful. Now, you certainly don't have to get chops this thick. You can get, you know, just a regular fried pork chop thickness. Or you could even use the boneless pork chops. But I will tell y'all this, the bone is what keeps these tender and moist. So we cook those probably for 6 or 8 minutes, something like that. So we have turned them over, and we're going to do the same thing on the other side. And then we're going to drain all but a few tablespoons of the butter and vegetable oil. Okie doke, y'all. I'm fixing to take our pork chops out and put them on my plate. And I'm just going to put a little piece of tin foil over them very loosely to just kind of keep them warm for us. And I'm going to reserve like 3 tablespoons. And I'm just going to guess at that. All right, I'm going to move this up to about medium high. And then I'm going to add my orange juice and my orange marmalade to the pan. Oh my gosh, I just do love that orange marmalade. Okay. You're gonna make sure you get all those little brown bits, you know, that have so much dadgum flavor in them. Okay, y'all, our orange glaze is boiling, and I'm going to let it boil till it reduces down, and that's going to probably take 6 to 8 minutes for it to thicken. Okay, y'all, that was about 6 to 8 minutes, and you can see that it's slightly thickened. So we're going to put these beautiful chops back in there. And we're going to flip them a few times to make sure they get plenty of that orange flavoring all over them. Okay, so we're going to turn our heat down to medium. And we're going to let them sit there and drink up that wonderful sweet glaze. I think these are ready, y'all. Oh, yeah, that sauce is getting nice and thick now. Yes. So we're just going to pour a little of that sauce on top of them. And then I'm going to come over here. I'm going to pour the rest into our little syrup or gravy boat, whatever you want to call it. Uh-oh, distance. You know, since I lost my cornea, I can't judge distance. So if I'm going to try to thread a needle and it went right there, I would be over here trying to thread midair. So that's why I don't really like to drive anymore. Oh, look, that's the best part. The brownie stuffs. If you like orange, you're going to love this. Now, all I have to do is cook some rice and maybe some fresh broccoli or asparagus, and I'll have our whole meal.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.